So we're actually standing in the entryway, and then this is kind of leading into the dining room here.
Okay.
All of this is open to the great room. That's what's so cool about this. See, back in the day, especially with these southern floor plans, the rooms were very closed off and very traditional.
Yeah.
But this is so modern and so updated. Okay, so there's gonna be the master bedroom downstairs, and then upstairs there's bedroom 2 and then 3, and then we have a flex space. I am not doing that many bold colors, believe it or not. It's all gonna be about the texture and the architecture of this house, and everything looking found and almost not like a shabby chic color, but definitely a low country feel. I'm gonna let the architecture and the scenery around the house speak for itself. Think stripes, think woods. Mix them all together and you'll create that different story. I want these furniture pieces to feel collected, and then maybe turn around and you see something a little bit new or contemporary, and that is what creates like a soulful mix in any room. That's the overall vibe that I'm going for in this house. Outside the box, collected, and most of all curated.